It's finally summertime, so this week's video we're gonna fly a real helicopter. I want to say right now that a real helicopter is a lot easier to fly than an RC helicopter. Check it out. And don't forget,
He's a professional. I can't do this. Stop. You gotta stop.
one more time. Okay, real.
Okay.
And don't forget,
He's a professional.
now you know.
Then
Yes.
turn the battery on.
Yes.
Then you turn the boost pump on for
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes.
Turn it back off again.
Yeah.
Then you hit the starter button.
Where's the starter button?
Right here.
Oh, okay. All right.
And then as you're cranking,
Yes.
you take this and push it in.
Okay.
But you gotta press it here.
Yes.
Try it. Yeah. Okay. Push it all. You push it all the way in once it's started.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So,
So
battery off.
battery off.
Hold.
No, you don't touch that one at all.
That was it.
Yeah.
Just boost pump.
Yeah.
1,000, 2,000, 3,000. And